Hi everyone, my name is Carol, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the Infraspeak stores available for you inside of your platform. In this video, you'll learn how to access and use the Infraspeak stores in order to improve your business's maintenance operation. There are 3 stores available inside of your Infraspeak platform. You have the App Store, which allows you to customize your Infraspeak according to your client's needs, and you have the possibility of enable and disabling applications. Then you have the Integration Store, which allows to expand functionalities beyond Infraspeak, making it available to other softwares that can integrate with the platform. And then you have the IoT Solution Store. So this allows the adding of IoT solutions to our customers through the use of a vast range of sensors and solutions. So once inside your platform, if you head on over to the Settings tab, you will see that you have here the 3 main stores that are available: the App Store, the IoT Solution Store, and the Integration Store. In the App Store, you'll have a series of applications available for you to download and start using at any moment. So if I click here, you can see all of the apps that are available. So these, you can enable or disable them as you go and as you find necessary for your business. If you're wondering, all of the apps that have a little blue tick on the left-hand corner means that they have been activated or they have been turned on. If you want to turn them off, or if you want to see which apps you are not using, you will see that you'll have just a section without a tick box. Now, if you want to activate or turn on one of your apps inside of your platform, all you have to do is click on the selected app. So let's use the signature one as an example. You'll have a brief little explanation in regards to what this app does. And then you will have a button here at the bottom, which will allow you to enable or disable the app. So for us to turn this app on, we're going to enable it, and all we have to do is click on it. And that has successfully enabled the app onto our platform. If we feel like we don't want to use this app, or it's not necessary for the time being, all you have to do is the exact same process and click on disable the app, and immediately your app gets disabled and turned off. As well, the great functionality is that while you're using these apps, any information that you do add on to these apps, and for any reason that you disable them, you will not lose your information. So you can always turn these back on and access your necessary information. Thanks for watching. Bye.